Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurfara Kalisa binti Zubair and my matrix numbers is 06D8023Alpha046. And now I want to present about case 1. Describe ethical problem. First, discrimination and harassment. A male colleague has been making disrespectful comments. His behavior creates an uncomfortable working environment for the junior female staff members. This issue also shows a lack of equality and fairness within the workplace. Second, workplace pressure and lack of support. Her absence have increased workload pressure on her colleague. The junior staff is facing challenges managing her elderly mother's care while working full-time. Third, fairness and compassion. The manager must balance fairness between supporting the employee facing personal difficulties and ensuring that the other team members are not overburdened. The ethical concern how to show compassion and understanding without compromising the team workflow. And next, identify the affected parties. First, the junior staff. The inappropriate comments and concern make her feel undervalued, stressed, and demotivated. She needs to balance in their work and caring for her elderly mother's care and make her extra pressure. And the second one is the manager. The manager is responsible for making sure the team works smoothly and everyone will be treated fairly. And seeing a staff and the team under pressure can be stressful and put the manager in a difficult position to act. Third is other colleagues. Some may feel overworked when she absent and others may feel unfairly treated. And four, human resources or personnel departments. They have to ensure workplace policy are followed and that the environment is safe and for everyone. Evaluate each solution. First, discuss the matter with junior staff. Advise her to apply to other firms that provide simple employment for her to manage her mother and also can arrangement with the work. Second, suggest a more adaptable approach to the team meetings. Working from home may be an option for a junior member staff. She can participate in meetings by virtually. Third, offer counseling. Provide emotional support, help manage her stress, and improve her performance, and help her with a safe space to talk about her work and caring for her mother. And fourth, reminders about proper conduct. The other colleague needs to be reminded of correct behavior and how behavior might lead bullying and harassment. Next is a select and justify the best solution. First, immediate action. Take immediate disciplinary or give a formal warning to the male colleague. Arrange the meeting with the junior staff and to offer understanding and discuss a flexible working options. Second is transparency. Be open and honest in communicating decisions to the team to maintain fairness and trust. Keep all discussion documented to ensure accountability and consistency. Third is long-term prevention. Provide awareness or sensitivity training for all employees. Encourage a supportive culture where employees can discuss personal challenges. Fundamental principles for safeguarding. First is integrity. The manager needs to be fair when dealing with both the junior staff and her colleagues. This helps to create a safe and supportive working environment for all staff. Second, confidentiality. The manager has responsibility to keep the staff privacy matter as a secret and not leaking out to everyone. Do not gossip or share details that could embarrass her. Third is objectivity. The manager must stay neutral when handling the conflict. This will help to ensure that both affected parties, which is a junior staff and her colleague, are treated equally. Four is a professional behavior. Maintain a respectful and ethical workplace. Avoid discriminatory comments, undermining behavior, or any conduct that could harm teamwork. 5 is a professional competence and due care, ensuring both unit staff well-being and the firm's performance are protected. Key consideration to resolving the dilemma. First, identify relevant facts. The manager needs to review the firm's staff policies and HR guidelines to understand how personal leave and flexible hours are handled. Check if there's a staff handbook that explains about discrimination, attendance, and flexible working arrangement. Second, who should be involved in the solution? The manager should have a private discussion with the junior staff to understand her situation and needs clearly. The HR department should be involved to ensure the process follow official policies. Third, create a culture of care and respect. Encourage understanding among team members so everyone feels supported, not judged when she facing a personal difficulties. And 4 is a self-interest trait. The manager needs to balance fairness between a junior staff and other colleagues. And the last one is a course of action to resolve the dilemma. First, have a private conversation with the junior staff, advising her on ways she could take the assistance of a full-time nurse to take care of her elderly mother. Second, review flexible work options. Possible solutions may include suggesting a more flexible approach to the team meetings. Working from home may be an option for the junior members of staff, and she can join the meeting virtually. Third, deal with other members of staff who needs to be reminded about proper conduct and how behavior may amount to bullying and harassment. 4. Recommend to human resources. Roll out firm-wide training on bullying and harassment and the firm's code of conduct to ensure that the staff will be aware.